Here's problem 1 from the 2023 AMC 8. What is the value of open parenthesis 8 times 4 plus 2 close parenthesis minus open parenthesis 8 plus 4 times 2 close parenthesis? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The key idea is order of operations. We multiply before we add. Let's start with the first group. 8 times 4 plus 2. First do the multiplication. 8 times 4, which is 32. Then add 2 to get 34. Now the second group. 8 plus 4 times 2. Again, multiply first. 4 times 2 is 8. Then 8 plus 8 gives 16. Finally, subtract the second group from the first. 34 minus 16 equals 18. So the value is 18, which is choice D.